Hi, I'm John,
Oh, I'm Holly.
and welcome to our YouTube channel. We're going to make Lynn's Meatloaf tonight from the Inch and Two diet book. So we got everything all laid out, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to take 2 stalks of celery, a half an onion, and 2 cloves of garlic, and you're going to saute it up, just like that. And then you're going to want to let it cool off, and then you're going to mix it into the bowl and form it into your loaf, because my son's going to be excited to watch. And I got the tofu already in there. So Holly's going to do everything. So go ahead and put that good stuff in there.
Liam,
watch
how
out.
about you bring that bowl over here? We don't want to burn him.
You're going to want to make sure your tofu is fully drained. You're going to mix that in there with that. Like this. And then you're going to add your other stuff.
Yeah, I'll scoot you up a little bit. Sorry.
Sorry, we have kids, so. Hi. That's okay.
Okay.
Well, you gotta mix everything else in.
The tofu isn't even mashed yet.
Oh.
Remember? We were supposed to mash that up.
Oh. You're gonna mash up the tofu in with the stir fry, and then after that we're gonna add everything else into it. This is our second recipe that we're cooking out of this recipe book. The first one we did was the stew, which was awesome.
Oh, it was phenomenal.
So now we're going to do the meatloaf, which is meatless, obviously. It actually uses the organic or original crumbles. It's a meatless substitute like that right there. That's pretty awesome looking. So, gonna mix that in. Let's see if this camera will just sit right there like that. Yeah. And then let's mix in the other things. 1/4 cup of walnuts.
Oh, well,
Okay.
let Liam do some stuff.
All right.
Too.
And then we're going to do a 1 1/4 cups of quick oats. There you go, buddy. Pour it in there.
Good job.
And then we're going to do the meat crumbles, which is vegan, obviously meatless. And then we're going to do 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, but we're going to use this tamari sauce, which is... Oh, jeez. 3 tablespoons of this good stuff here.
Well, I'm just going to crumble this stuff.
Yeah, that's fine.
Obviously, I'm covering Liam in it. Oh, man, that was funny. Oh, God dang it.
Jesus, Holly. We're making a huge... Can you just hear? How about you just step off?
I know you're trying to.
Yeah, this is life right here. Trying, just living life here. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of ketchup. We're using organic ketchup. Hold on.
Oh, hey, don't fling it like that here.
1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard.
I know, now you're getting mad, huh?
What? That's only needs 1, buddy. We're going to do some parsley flakes, 2 teaspoons of dried parsley flakes. Hold on, buddy, it's in here. Can I just, I'll just...
Hold on, Liam, okay?
And then you're going to add half a teaspoon of each thyme, sage, and rosemary, which we only have thyme. So I'm just going to kind of wing it. And we got this Italian seasoning stuff here.
It's the good stuff. I love Italian seasoning.
Do it like that. And I think once everything's in there, like so, we'll just mash it all in. Get your hands clean.
Yeah.
Fish.
Oh yeah.
That's like a bush.
Yep.
More bush.
Then you want to preheat your oven to 375. You can go turn that on, babe. This feels awesome. Smells good. Smell good, buddy?
No.
No.
Well, it's dinner tonight.
This is dinner tonight.
There.
Oh, you're gonna
Alright.
eat it.
Hey, Holly, you want to move this cookbook so we don't make it all messy as we already have? Move some of this and bring in a pan. And I will try to loaf it.
I said to spoon it in there, so.
That's what I'm gonna do. Let's just kind of just grab the camera. Let's get this amazing bean footage. Roll that beautiful bean footage.
There's no beans in this.
I know it's from the Bush's Baked Beans commercial.
I know. You're a cranky man tonight.
Awesome, and we'll just kind of make it into like a loaf-ish shape. Okay, you can put it back. Now, reading this book, it's always like no added oils, but then on this recipe, it calls you to spray the pan with cooking spray, and I thought that was a big no-no. So, if you guys have any alternatives for a cooking spray, that'd be great. Just let me know in the comments below. So next time I make this, it won't have. I use very little. I mean, just like a millisecond, just right across to use, so we don't add too much of that liquid fat, which is oil. So we loaf it in like this, and we'll put it in the oven for how long, babe?
55 minutes.
55 minutes. And we'll be right back. Well, we got the meatloaf done, and we cooked up some potatoes, cut them to look like fries. And look at that. That looks amazing. Can you believe that there's no meat in that? It turned out real well. What do you think, buddy? No? Here, just give me a spatula so I can...
Okay. Yeah, that's good.
Get that all done there. Cut this beast out. Look at that. That looks awesome, doesn't it? Look at that. You want some too? Here you go. There's a little bit for you. This is what you helped make, remember? You helped make this. Again, look at that. Oh, yeah. Get some little bit of ketchup. No, wait.
On the side, yeah.
Well, on the side. Obviously using organic ketchup.
Hey, you don't need more ketchup,
When
okay?
you need more, we'll give you some more. So, come in the frame, babe. Step to the side.
Whoa!
Yeah, no, let's give this a shot here. This is Lynn's meatloaf with tofu, that meatless crumbles or whatever, and some vegetables. So,
No, wait, this is mine.
clink it, dink it, and eat it. That's a shout out to Good Mythical Morning. That's awesome.
That's good.
That is good. You can't really tell there's no meat in it.
I like that.
That is good. Now, if you guys are wanting to make a meatloaf, be healthy, this is it. It's an Engine 2. The beginning video, I tried to do the measurements and stuff like that, but and try to show how to make. As you can see, super easy to make. Took 55 minutes in the oven, and I just flinged some meatloaf over here. So it's delicious and fantastic. And if you have any questions about, you question yourself, going basically vegan, plant strong, if it's disgusting, it's not really. It's actually food tastes a lot better now that we don't have preservatives in our lives, and we're eating fruit like it's intended, and vegetables how it's intended, and it's just widened our horizons to taste. So yeah, right, Lidge? So, well, if you guys have any questions or you want to start a conversation, just start in the comments below. I'd love to be able to chat with you guys. And please share my videos, and please hit that subscribe button, because when you guys subscribe, it really motivates us to keep doing this. And you guys will be up to date on our videos and our lives and as we do it. Yeah? And look, he likes it. He's 3 years old, coming up on 4, and we got him switched over to a plant-based diet, and he's a lot better behavior-wise. He used to suffer with night terrors and stuff. He hasn't had those since we switched over.
Yeah, it's been a while.
It's been a while. I mean, when we were doing the preservatives and processed food, he was all
like
the time.
every night.
Every night. Our family has really benefited from switching this. But again, and also we have a Facebook page too. It's called John and Holly Making a Change on Facebook. Just hit the like button there and follow our page. Get up to dates on that, and then up to dates on our videos. Well, please hit that subscribe button. And thanks for watching. Bye.